local ESG ship owner 552. We have Argentina Parliament, Senate thinking about how to reform liberal merchant marine transportation. Of course, they're wrong. It's like, should I talk about satellites today? But the main point is that really, thank you very much indeed, Argentina is the first time one country talks about merchant marine. Well, India did it 25 years ago. Yes, I was here, I gave that idea, and really it has been a huge success. Now, most planet ships have Indian crew for the moment. We will see how it goes. And now that Argentina is pushing towards these liberal merchant marine ideas, 75% the local crew, or could we contact the pools that are not in the labor union, and could we really have masters from other nationalities and cabotage rules, blah, blah, blah. Well, in order to start breaking down these points, and then the points into letters, and then the letters into A, B, C, D again, and so on, then why don't we simply just think about employment in the local crew? But ship owner, now whilst these other governments are starting to think about merchant marine, and I thank you very much for subscribing and liking to this channel and listening to these ideas that are really, merchant marine is the first really transparent ESG, corporate social responsibility point, is the first warrior, that it is going, the Trojan, that is going to make this planet liberal, transparent economies. So then, why don't you think about the ship owner contacting us and having a local talent retention solution? Why? Because many have indeed from India crew for the Americas, and we're having about 25% budget more because we need to add the transport, is it 8? Then we also need to have then different costs, like a 2% overlap, 3% overlap, is it? And why not invest in local crew and have shorter contracts so the crew are really more relaxed, happier? Think about that, dear ship owner, because this is the tendency today. Many owners are thinking about many things, and governments and blah, blah, blah. Why don't we do it simple? Contact us, because the local is the ESG solution. Thank you. Bye.